Hey, it's me, Leanne. Today we're going to talk about this dash cam, and I'm super excited because this is a 4K 5G Wi-Fi 360 review dash cam. So let's open this up. It's very nicely packaged. It comes with simple to use directions. They're all pretty simple and standard to set up. I set up a few of these. But what I really like about this one is the size. It's compact in size and it has a screen on the back and then, right? So I can have the camera facing on the inside and also on the outside. And then we just stick it in the spot that we want to stick it on. And it comes with all the wiring that you need. And even has a reverse camera, so if you wanted to run it all the way to the back. And it gives you the separator so that you can separate to run the wire if you want to hide the wire. So let me go get this installed and show you how well this works. All right, this is super easy to connect. My husband already went ahead and took the sticker off. And we're gonna stick it right there. And this is adjustable. This was super easy to connect. It gives you the instructions right here. This was super easy to connect. Look how crisp that video footage is. It gives you the instructions on how to connect the camera. Super easy to use. Right there.
My palms look really nice.
Yes. And you can see all three cameras now.
Oh, that's cool. It rotates.
It rotates. You can rotate what lenses you have. It's so small, like it doesn't take up any space. It was gifted for me for review, and I can see the inside of my car, outside the back of my car, the front of my car. I can adjust the viewing if I want to see all three cameras at once. It was gifted to me. I highly recommend this camera. The picture is crisp and clean. You can see everything. I got this free for review and I highly recommend.